So. Hi everyone, welcome back to Elegant Designs by B, where we create lasting impressions through elegant designs. Thank you for joining me today. I'm so excited to bring to you another Valentine's tablescape. So for my tablescape and backdrop decor, I went with the colors rose gold, black, silver, and blush. For my backdrop, I used one of my 70-inch tables, covered it with a white round tablecloth, added the sequence drapes. The floor arrangements were DIY. I spray painted copper black and added glitter. And on the bottom, well, actually the table is sitting on 4 cinder blocks, and I leaned the table against the wall. And to cover the cinder blocks, I use another drape. So I actually used 2 drapes, one on the top and one on the bottom. To create the swag, I used one of my 260s balloon and secured it with a thumbtack. The drapes are also secured with thumbtacks as well. And here on the other side of this backdrop, I created this balloon garland with the 4 colors I mentioned: the silver, blush, rose gold, and black. And all the balloons there were ordered from Amazon. I added the picks. The picks I purchased those picks during the holidays from Michael's. And the heart helium balloon, I got that one from Family Dollar. I did have 2, but one of them popped. And the white drapes that you see there, that was also a DIY. And I purchased the fabrics from a local fabric store. Now moving on to my table, I went very simple. I used this black polyester tablecloth. And those tablecloth, well, this tablecloth is from Table Linens. The sequence rose gold runner, I ordered that from Amazon. The vase that the floor arrangements are sitting in, that is from Burlington. And the floor arrangement, the black ones and the rose gold, I DIY'd those. Spray painted the floral. For the black one, I added additional glitter on them. Here I have this rose gold candle holder. I believe that is from Dollar Tree. Here I have another candle holder, and the candles are from Ross. For my place settings, these rose gold beaded charger plates are from eFavor Mart. The dinner plates, I DIY those. The plates are from Dollar Tree. And the salad clear plates are from Dollar Tree as well. The napkins are from table linen. I'm sorry, it's tablecloth linen. And on top of that, I added these heart chocolates on each setting. The flatwares are from Walmart, and those are rose gold. And the drinkware, the rose gold stem, I DIY'd that. And the taller one, I purchased that from Ross, if I'm not mistaken. Ross or Home Goods, I don't remember exactly. The coasters are from Ross. And to complete the look of this tablescape, I added these black Chiavari chairs and with the off-white tough cushions. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're not already a member of my channel, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell twice so you'll know when I upload a new video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and share. I will see you in my next video. Thank you, and stay blessed.